How to change creator account to private on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna learn how we can change creator account to private on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you open up Instagram and then you come to the profile page, you tap the three lines option there, and then maybe you're trying to make your account private by simply going to account privacy, but if I try to do so, it says business accounts or creator accounts can't be private. That is because I currently have a creator account. So to make my account private, first I need to switch to a personal account, and only then it will be possible. So tap the three lines option there, simply scroll down here, you'll find, let's say, an option known as for professional tools. So just make sure to look for that particular option over here. So right here you can see creator tools and controls. Tap on it, scroll down, switch account type, and then switch to a personal account first. Only after you switch to a personal account, come back and then again go to account privacy, then turn on the toggle, then it should definitely work. This way you can change creator account to private on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.